Screpy is a great tool if you are looking to improve your website's SEO. What is Screpy? Screpy is an AI-powered SEO tool that makes it easy for you to optimize your website for Google's search engine. Screpy provides you with a step-by-step guide to help you improve your website's ranking in Google's search results. It is a great tool if you want to learn how to optimize your website for better search engine visibility. How does Screpy work? Screpy will scan your website and identify all of the links, anchors, content and images that are present. This information will allow you to see which ones are performing the best and which ones you should be focusing on improving. Screpy's main features include 1. Automatic keyword research. Screpy automatically generates a list of keywords that you can use to improve your website's ranking in Google's search results. 2. On-page optimization. Screpy provides you with a step-by-step guide to help you optimize your website for Google's search engine. 3. Link building. Screpy helps you build links to your website from high-quality websites. 4. Competitor analysis. Screpy helps you monitor your competitors' SEO optimization and evaluate the effectiveness of their SEO strategy. 5. Keyword tracking. Screpy helps you track how often people are searching for your website's keywords in Google, Yahoo, Bing, and Baidu. The benefits of using Screpy. No need to employ a SEO consultant. No need to employ a SEO expert. Screpy is a free SEO tool that you can use to optimize your website whenever and wherever you are around the world. So snap up this amazing SEO tool today and get lifetime access at a great price using the link below.